Death is one of the last great taboos, and how we deal with it both emotionally and practically has become an ongoing threat to our environment. Traditionally, burial or cremation marks the final footprint of our lives on this planet. It is how we aspire to permanence, to be lost but not forgotten. But there's a type of footprint we don't want to leave along with our legacy, an environmental one. Whilst our loved ones may no longer be here, the effects of their passing are long-lasting on the world around us. Our loved ones are often embalmed with toxic substances and placed into laminated chipboard coffins, which both impact groundwater and air quality. And we purchase memorials made from imported granite because it's durable and cheap. Did you know, over the life of an average 10-acre cemetery, the volume of formaldehyde used would be enough to kill up to 23,000 people? And the apparently innocent granite almost always contains a murky past of child and bonded labour, poor environmental and safety practices, and the carbon footprint of a world-crossing journey. Cremation, which makes up 80% of all UK funerals, offers an alternative to burial, helping to reduce groundwater pollution. However, gas cremation contributes a significantly higher volume of air pollution than burial. This is equivalent to approximately 7,400 car journeys around the Earth every year. It wasn't always this way. And for the future of our planet, it doesn't have to be this way. We understand that it's difficult to offer alternatives to the comfort of tradition in the midst of grief. So bereavement organisations need to feel empowered to offer greener alternatives by default. That's where we come in. At CDS, we are helping our clients reduce the environmental footprint of the bereavement sector by lowering the impact of burials on groundwater quality, by enhancing biodiversity through innovative landscape design, by utilising green energy to power zero-carbon electric cremators, and by lowering the impact of construction through careful product selection and cutting-edge architectural designs. CDS's aim, as part of the Darwin Bereavement Group, is to develop a greener alternative to the status quo, led by our expert environmental planning and design teams. A net-zero vision not bound by the chains of tradition, making it an easy and affordable choice to say goodbye to loved ones without costing the earth. Let's make our darkest days a little brighter together.